don't know if I like this background, but we're just gonna go with it for this video, and we'll see how it goes from there. Hello internet, hello YouTube, hello you. It's been so long. I'm so glad to see you. Thanks for coming back. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am. I know something seems a little bit different. I got rid of the boxes. I was like, it's 2020. Let's do something a little bit different. Let's try and make this a little bit more professional. But I left a nice little picture right there. That looks so weird. It's a work in progress, so we'll see how I feel about it tomorrow. So today we are going to be opening up The Box by Fashionsta. For those of you unfamiliar with the box, this runs $24.99, so you don't have to pay any additional costs for shipping, and usually includes 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. So let's open it up and see what's included for January 2020. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see some more of me, or hit that like button if you actually like this video at any point in time, because I'd appreciate that too. Oh, and if you really want to get the box and you're all about it, I'll put a link in the description so you can go get it. Opening up of the box, there it is. Have a little note talking about Happy New Decade. Can you believe it? It's 2020 and we are in February. Yeah. Consciously curated selection of glam and skincare products, predominantly featuring trending and amazing indie brands for you to discover, with a high focus on vegan and cruelty-free practices. Sounds like a good time. I like it. I like it so far. And at the back, it has a list of everything included, brief description about the product, how to use the product, and how much it costs. Right? Yes, that's what's on the back. The box is beautifully packaged. Nice little sticker in there. About to rip that off. That's what it looks like on the inside. Paper. A blackhead steam pore pack. Wow, this looks pretty intense. I have never gotten one of these before. That is cool. And it's a 2-step process. What does it say? Pore, blackhead, and steam pack. This is $16. It's a detoxifying duo featuring a steaming mask. Really? I didn't see that coming. That opens and deeply cleanses pores. Then a cooling mask to tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. Well, I got pores. Like, I got pores. Don't worry about me. So, ooh, is this Korean? This is totally Korean. This is like a K-beauty product. And my goodness, I was showing it being like, oh, you can read it. No, you can't. No, you can't. Oh, but it does have English, so that is good. I hate when they like send it to you and you're like, I'm just gonna look at the pictures and pretend I know what I'm doing. Let's open this up and see what's in here. Ooh, it's printed with soy ink too. Whoa, dude. There's a little spatula included, and it appears that they are stuck together. I don't know how this is gonna happen. Ooh, it's like 2 twisties, so you can twist the bottom off. Okay. And then you can, this is some cool stuff, man. I need to get more into K-beauty. This is really cool. I know, I'm really cool. Whoa. So this is the blackhead steam pack. So it should smell like charcoal. This is like very, very mild charcoal scent. Usually a lot of the stuff I use is like a lot stronger scented charcoal. Not this. Not this at all. So my face is freshly washed, so fresh and so clean. Now, I do have the spatula, but since I have to massage it into my face anyway, I'm just going to use my fingers. If they're going to get messy anyway, there's no point in using the spatula. It's really dense. Super dense. Alright? Ooh. It is grainy, but not in a bad way though. Yep, and I knew I would run out because I do have a big face. And it says massage into skin for 1 to 2 minutes. It's looking a little sketchy. And then it says to wait 5 to 10 minutes. My face is slightly, very slightly tingly. You can barely even feel it. It's just around the chin area. I'm gonna go wipe this off and I shall be right back and we can go on step 2. The only thing I would mention is I didn't actually realize how warm my face was until I rinsed off that charcoal mask. I was really surprised at how warm my face was. I was like, wow, this really is cooling my face down. And I was like, how warm did it get? Step 2, glacial water, glacial soil, and volcanic ash. And this is a cool pore tightening. So let's see what the second bit looks like. I really like this whole like dual thing going on here. A little bit of a lighter color. This one is a lot more dense. Like, you need to like dig in to get this. It is clumpy. Oh, and it's like instantaneously cooling. Oh wow, this is like so relaxing. This dries down really fast. It feels slightly mentholy, almost like that kind of cooling sensation. It is starting to get a little tingly. I don't know what that's about because there wasn't any warning on that. This one is definitely a lot more tingly than the first one. I am feeling it. The tingling that I felt when I first put it on is gone, which is good. Yes. I'm gonna rinse this off and I shall be right back. I feel okay. Good price, good product. I'm all about this one. Lucy, and this is Metalit, and it's an oil-based facial gel that works as a sleeping mask, highlighter, 20-minute treatment, and moisturizer. Wow, that's a lot. Instantly hydrate and tone for post-facial results. And it's cruelty-free, vegan, and made without mineral oil and parabens. It's made in Milan, Italy, so this is going to be interesting. And this costs $15. I don't think I've ever come across a face gel that you can use as a moisturizer and a highlighter and 20-minute treatment. So that's what the packaging looks like. 0.5 ounces for $15. I don't know. It's a little seal on it. I can take that right off. Whoa, dude. It is. Ew. That's the inside of it. I don't know what that smell is. Made with moringa oil. That could possibly be it. And vitamin C. And I'm just going to use it as a 20-minute treatment. Whoa. Whoa. No wonder they say this could be used as a highlight. Whoa. It goes on so smooth though. I am going to be shiny. Oh, wow. It feels really, really, really good. It's like really thick, but it's super hydrating. I really like how this feels on my skin. 2 for 2, Fashionsta. It's not that easy to rinse. It's like rinsing oil. Although my face feels crazy moisturized, definitely well worth it, especially with multi-use. I'm all about that one. A little bit smaller than I would appreciate, but still, just really, really good. I'm liking the box so far. So let's keep going. So next we have a product from Klee. This is dumb. This is so dumb. This is the front of the box. Can you see anything? Tilt it at an angle. Why would you do this? Why would you do this? White on white? I can't see. Like, why do you want me straining my eyes to read this just because you want it to be, what is this? Guided by the blue. I can't even look at it head on. I have to like tilt it at an angle. Girl, you need to stop what you're doing and put some writing on there. At the back of it, there is writing, but still, like this, guided by the belief that there is truth in freedom and imperfection in fluidity. That's some deep stuff. Like what? Klee Cosmetics is a minimalist lifestyle brand designed to support the contemporary woman with self-care basics as she pursues the fullest expression of her personality, power, and sensuality. Is a rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oil and extract for moisturizing skin. So it's a moisturizer. And this runs $32. Just looks like I'm holding just a plain white box. It's not even, this is just not the smartest, not the smartest. It is sealed. Oh boy. Got that off. Ooh, see, now this is a lot more practical. Here it is. There is a seal on it. So if you got it, check for that seal. It is really thick. Wow, okay. I can use this as an all-over moisturizer. I'm not sure I'm a fan of the scent though. Not for all over the body. What is that smell? Sweetgrass, lemon, undertones of mint, scent of cedar, frankincense. Yeah, it's pretty strong. I do not want to be walking around smelling like this. It's not a bad scent, but it's a strong scent. It's like citrus, undertone of mint there. Frankincense maybe is what I'm getting. It's lovely for your hands, but if I put it all over my body, I'd probably freak out. Still happy I got that. That is super moisturizing. Ooh, it's in packaging. And this is the IBY City Limits. And I actually have this palette. I got it a few months back. If I find which video, I'll put it right there. And I like the palette. I like the colors in it. I'm not going to open this just because I already have it. It does come with a mirror included. I'm just going to bend that back. And those are the shades. I'm also not going to swatch it because I've done that before. Again, I'll put the video over there, or I'll put a link in the description. Glamping on the outer edge. And then I deepened that in with Silent Disco. VIP on the inner corner. Closed it out with a light show. So this is what I am looking like from afar. And the City Limits eyeshadow palette is $20. It's packed with 12 highly pigmented, yes, buttery, yes, and blendable shades, yes. And it's infused with rose hip seed oil. Oh, I didn't know that. So the next thing I have in here is from Garlic. Is it really garlic? Oh, I was like, garlic? No, it's Girlitic. And this is a precise marker liner. Ooh, look at that tip. Whoa, that is tight. Whoa, yeah. Oh yeah. That's the liner for me. A no mess liner. That's what I like. And this runs $20. It is favored by many with a Star Beauty Award. Really? Behind it? There's a Star Beauty Award behind this? That's pretty cool. It's designed to create thin or thick cat-winged liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. Well, let's test this smudge-proof, shall we? Whoa, dude. Wow. I should try that more often. This is what the liner looks like. I'm not really a fan of it. It is super precise. The only thing I didn't like, the formula is drying. So like I had to go over the same line. It's not very glidey. You know what I mean? Like you just glide on. Not this one. And I don't know if maybe it didn't work with the eyeshadow that I had on. The formula, I'm not a fan. I'll have to try it again without an eyeshadow and see how I like it. But it's okay. Definitely got the job done. It was super precise. It's just not the formula that I would like. That's all. Luna by Luna. And this is a lip oil. Ooh, look at that. That is adorable. Ooh, no. It's sticky. Oh, that means it's been leaking. Ew. Oh, yeah. It was like filled to the brim. No wonder. It smells like lip oil. I love the packaging, though. It's super cute. It feels more like a gloss than an oil, though. Like, usually with oils, they just kind of glide on. This is like, yeah, and it's sticky. What kind of lip oil is this? It is sticky. This is not a lip oil. It's $18, and it says, this lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil. Transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, while adding just a hint of color. Hint of color? Don't really see it, but sure. The instant lightweight technology. This is not lightweight. I don't know what to tell you. This ain't lightweight. This is not lightweight. Look at this. All right, well, I guess you can't tell, but it's not lightweight. The instant lightweight technology nourishes and hydrates while soothing your lips and giving them a natural shine. Yeah, they're shine while appearing fuller. They look the same to me. This description is like completely off. The innovative gel texture of the oil hugs your lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Are we still talking about our lips? What? But it's supposed to be like that though. Like, it's not like your lips are like completely seamless. I don't know who wrote this, but this is Luna by Luna. You need help. This is Looney. You can apply it as little or as much as desired. And it's $18. And the description is off. Like completely off. I don't know what. Maybe they sent me the wrong thing. Lip oil. Yep. It does say. Wrong, I tell you. Wrong. Bang Beauty. And this is a lip crayon. And it's in the color Kiss Me. And it says this long-wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft after wear. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty lip crayon delivers full coverage. I don't know if this is going to be the color for me. I'll tell you what, this is awfully pink. Awfully pink. Let's go right here with it. Ooh, it is super lightweight and crazy pink. Yes. This is $18. So the lip crayon and the lip oil together, not too bad. And I like that it's buildable, so I can just keep adding as much color as I want. And I think I'm gonna stop right there before I start looking crazy. That was everything in the box by Fashionsta. Have a good one. Bye.